And experienced local coach Calvert Fitzgerald believes Reggae Boyz coach Theodore Whitmore needs to find a way to get more attacking thrust into the team without compromising the defense in upcoming World Cup qualifying matches. Jordan Fort reports.
The Reggae Boyz kept their first clean sheet from 5 matches in World Cup qualifiers on Sunday at the National Stadium against Canada to pick up only their second point in the round so far. An experienced local coach, Calvert Fitzgerald, believes that was down to the team being better balanced thanks to the inclusion of Swindon Town midfielder Anthony Grant. He, however, says there is still one component missing from the setup.
I believe when we have Speedy and Anthony Grant in front of the back four, I believe that is set, right? That is good because with this good defensive work here. So the next part of the puzzle now that I think Tapa needs to solve now is to try to get a creative midfielder in there now.
The Jamaicans have only scored it twice so far, and many have called for Tyreek McGee to get more game time to help bolster the team's attack. But Fitzgerald explained that the way the team approaches its play doesn't suit the 22-year-old.
If you're going to play a playmaker, you have to play possession-based football because you have to get the playmaker the ball to do his work. And we averaging 30% of the ball, or a little more, or a little less. Then we have to constantly chasing back and trying to win the ball. So just think about it. In that scenario, then you wouldn't need a attacking midfielder or a playmaker. So basically, playing Tyreek McGee in a system where you're going to give up so much possession of the ball, then it would make any sense if you really look into it.
In the meantime, Fitzgerald also made an observation about central defender Damien Lowe, who was missing for Sunday's match due to a card suspension, and says his absence and the team keeping its first clean sheet may not have been a coincidence.
Personally, I think Lowe tackle too much, That means that when you tackle so much, you're not reading the game, But that's my personal opinion. I don't like my center half tackling so much, Always making a late tackle. That means that you're not reading the game. Or your positional player is not up to scratch. Look in the game yesterday. Our two central defenders, both when Alberton and Mariapa was there and when Javan went back there, you see that we wasn't making a lot of tackles because we were more cutting out the passes and blocking the channel and all that. They just get one glorious opportunity. And normally, the keeper, during the other games, the keeper had to come up with a lot of big saves.
The Reggae Boyz go in search of a crucial 3 points away to Honduras on Wednesday. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.